Hello Shot by APVA listeners, welcome back to your go-to channel for tips and updates in the audio industry. My name is T-Code and today we've got an exciting lineup of news, opportunities and creative spotlights just for you. If our creative community has inspired you, why not share the love, like, share and invite other creatives. Nominations for the APVA Awards are still open. Make sure to submit your nominations before June 30th. Don't miss this opportunity to recognize excellence in the audio industry. Time is running out, so act fast. Visit awards.apva.africa to nominate now. APVA Awards category reveal is ongoing and we want you to be a part of it. Nominate your favorite creators now and celebrate their outstanding work. Visit at apva_official. The highly anticipated SA Podcast and Music Festival has come to a successful close. The two-day event brought together industry